Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Zanzibar pizza. First, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of instant yeast and a pinch of salt. Gradually add about 150 milliliters of warm water, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth, then cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a tender crust. Next, let's prepare the delicious filling. Finely chop 1 small onion, half a bell pepper, and 1 tomato. In a pan, brown 150 grams of ground beef or chicken with a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder and a pinch of black pepper. Once cooked, drain any excess fat. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with a tablespoon of milk, salt, and pepper. This mixture will bind our filling. Now for the assembly. Take a small portion of the rested dough and roll it out very thinly into an 8-inch circle. Place this dough onto a lightly oiled flat pan or griddle. Evenly spread a generous layer of your cooked meat and chopped vegetables over the dough, leaving a small border. Finally, pour the whisked egg mixture over the entire filling. This creates that unique Zanzibar pizza texture. Cook the pizza on a medium-hot griddle for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until the dough is golden brown and the filling is set. Carefully fold the edges of the dough over the filling to create a square or rectangular parcel. Continue cooking for another minute or 2 until heated through. Serve immediately with a squeeze of lime and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade Zanzibar pizza.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.